Good morning, everybody. Josh over here, AZ 4Runner Parts, guys. I am in the shop. It is currently a little after 4:30. We have some inventory, you guys. I got 6 cars here. Technically only supposed to have 4. Management's been really getting on my butt, so I absolutely need to get rid of a couple of these vehicles, and I have to stop buying them so frequently because I am outgrowing my space, you guys. I literally have no space in here. I have 3 engines and I have to pull a 4th one because we have a frame over there, one of those, that I have to pull apart and get prepped to go to Indianapolis. And I also have another frame at my house, half apart. I just got to pull the body off, and that one's going to Chicago. Those are both leaving same time in about the next week. So if you guys need V8 frames, better get them while they're gone, before they're gone. I have 1 left for V8. So, you know, get it while it's hot, guys. I have V6 frames, rolling chassis. I'm going to have a rear axle, you guys. If you guys are looking for any parts at all, I am here today in Phoenix, Arizona, all day until 7 p.m. tonight. So I have, what is that? 12, like a 16-hour day or something today. I'm not really too sure. It's too early for math, you guys. But we have 1 truck that I'm going to be pulling apart, getting all these doors off, getting everything gutted off here and salvaged that is salvageable. We are going to be getting rid of this shell. It's going to be going bye-bye. And we're going to be getting rid of another shell as we prepare that frame. So if you guys are looking for any parts, 2003 to 2009 Toyota 4Runner, tan, gray, whatever it is, whatever I quoted you in the past, those prices may have changed today. We need to get some parts gone. I got motors here. I'm literally letting motors go for like $300. And if you come very, very soon, you may as well possibly get a transmission with it. I am having a buddy come over here. We're gonna go ahead and start stripping these doors. I have a excessive amount of doors in inventory. As you can see, I have doors all over the place, you guys. I have 4 more doors at home, and I have another, 6 times 4, 24 doors outside. So there's another 30 doors I gotta bring in here. So I'm not keeping all these doors. I'm going to be stripping them for every single part that they have on them, and then they will be going to scrap. If you guys want a bare shell door, before it goes to scrap, I'm going to be taking glass. I'm going to be taking everything, literally everything off of the door is coming off. So we're going to be getting rid of any duplicate colors, any paint that's really bad. We're keeping the nice ones, getting rid of the crap ones, guys. If you're looking for dashboards, if you're looking for anything at all, guys, this is not all of it. There's more in here. Are you guys ready? Oh my god, there's a dog in here. So armrests, you guys, isolators, engine covers, headlights, heat shields, you name it, guys. I got parts. This is all part stuff over here. These are all parts, broken, random parts. Seats, leather seats, tan seats, cloth seats, you name it. Headrests. These rear cup holders. I have a ton of these. There's 2 right here, another here, and literally another one at home. And then there's another, what is that? 6 right there. So, inventory, guys, absolutely. And so much stuff in here. Reach out, guys. With every single order, you guys are going to be getting free stickers. So, reach out, guys. runnerparts@gmail.com. That's me right there, guys. Thanks for watching. Have a wonderful weekend. You can also find me on YouTube. AZ 4Runner Parts, guys. Have a good day.